Hey, good morning. Guess what time it is? It's about 6:05 here in southeastern Virginia. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. Would you guess? Gotta get an early start today. I got a lot going on, so I'm going to try to get this done before I got to work. I got to take care of all kinds of other stuff. But I got all this varnished up, as you saw, and ready to put these on. I got a little slot cut for my strut brace. Got all these parts sanded, well fitted. I think we're gonna have a good fit here. Got all my rubber bands ready, staple gun, and so we're gonna glue this front nosing on. All right, this stuff is a little thick this morning. It's a little chilly in here. I'm gonna put it on here first. I'm gonna start in the middle. I gotta get it everywhere there's not varnish, so it's completely sealed. Like I said previously, the more I'm doing, the better I'm getting at, the less mistakes I'm making, the higher quality, the less time it's taking. Which makes sense, you know, the learning curve. Just gonna use a lot of epoxy. This is the last little bit of the third quart, so I'll be opening up the fourth quart. I'll probably end up only using a portion of it, but that's how many it takes to build this plane, roughly 4 quarts. This is tedious work. I think I spent 2 hours varnishing. On the video, I spit it up for you, but about 2 hours varnishing inside where it goes, and then the inside is plywood. And I was not taking my time, going as fast as I could. I know there's not too many women that watch this. I know there's a few. Thank you very much, girls, ladies. But hope you find it interesting. But I put on some of my daughter's original music. She's a musician, writes songs, plays the piano, ukulele, guitar. My youngest daughter. My oldest daughter's a musician too, but I don't think she's only written 1 or 2 songs. But both of them very talented. In fact, the whole family's musical. But the guys might not appreciate it. Maybe the girls did. If you did, let me know. She got some more songs I can put up. I don't want to scare off the guys though, because they're girly. She plays music with us at our fellowship meetings. I think she's playing a ukulele this week. I'll be playing the bass guitar. I'll never fall apart. I got so much epoxy on me, it holds me together. All right. One part I don't like doing is underneath here. I don't see as much as I'd like to. And she's using a lot of glue. That's okay. Remember, glue's cheaper than life insurance. I don't think I used quite enough last time. I mean, they're enough, but I'm learning. Ready to go. Yeah. Goes up like that. Looking good, Mr. Kata. All right, get some rubber bands on. That is no longer. Okay. Like that. What's it look like underneath? had some help, I'd flip it over, but I don't. All right, center one's done. You mix up some more. Finish this glue up, mix up some more. About $20 epoxy just to put this on, probably somewhere in that neighborhood. Looking good though, it's fitting really tight. I think hopefully all my nosies inside are gluing up good. And make some more rubber bands up. Another big milestone done. All right. We'll let that dry probably till tonight, and we'll have a staple pulling party. You want to come? Free beer. I think I only put in about 200 or 300 staples. It won't take me but about half an hour. And we'll clean it up. All the gaps come together really good. I really don't have many gaps to fill. If I see anything, I'll put a little bit of epoxy in it. And we'll take and pull all the staples and feather all the edges and clean this mess up. Next thing you know, we're gonna be cutting that airline off. Looks real good though, looks real good, feels real tight, looks real smooth. Not too shabby. Huh? Not bad at all. I know it's my brother-in-law was telling me he watches the show. My brother-in-law was telling me he watches the video, and he says he can't take so much of watching gluing and everything, so I try to speed everything up for you, so you can not miss what happens next if you're interested. Anyway, hope you have a blessed day today. It's a beautiful one here in Southeast Virginia, wouldn't you know. God blesses us every single day. We got food on the table, clothes on our back. He gives us a little bit extra to help other people. I don't know if you got any, but every penny we've ever given anybody to help anybody has always been never missed 1 second, and it just keeps coming in somehow. I don't know. But remember, keep looking up. That's where he's coming from. Take care.